So today I got a pit bike restoration, or I say restoration, but I just really want to get this thing running. So I got this thing off a trade. I got this pit bike and that ATV over there. That ATV is destroyed. There's no transmission on that thing. But I got those two for a John Deere lawn tractor from like the 60s. The thing didn't even run. But the pit bike's in better shape than the ATV, so I'm just going to start on the pit bike. So I got like 60 bucks in parts that I just need to kind of put on this thing. It didn't have a chain and it didn't have a kickstart, which I hope it has compression. I haven't even tried to kick this thing over yet, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm just gonna go ahead, put all the parts I have onto the pit bike and see if it turns over, and you know, hopefully it does. At least we know this thing has like an ounce of compression. It's a little easy, but it's a pit bike, so I'm not too worried. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on going now that I know the engine's pretty good, and hopefully we can get this thing running. Now that I know it's got some compression, I'm gonna go ahead and just replace all the electronics that just aren't even there. It doesn't even have a coil. So I'm gonna replace it all and move on from there.